Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an awesome fat burning back workout with or without dumbbells. You don't need any equipment to do this, so let's get right into it. We're gonna start with a little warm up, so put those dumbbells to the side for now. All right, we're gonna start with 5 big breaths. All right, inhale as your arms come up. Very good, fill those lungs. Exhale, arms come down, and 2. Very good, 3. 4. And 5, make it a good one. Fill those lungs, make noise. Hold. And release, awesome job. Next, we're gonna be doing a torso twist, all right? Your lower body stays still as your upper body twists, all right? Isolating the upper body, making sure those hips stay nice and squared forward, all right? So we don't wanna go like this, all right? Stabilize, nice little bend in the knees is gonna help with that. And then just isolate the torso, very good, look forward. You can have your hands in front of you like me, or even open them, open palm twist. Whatever calls to you more. Make sure your chin is up. Nice posture, very good. And 3, 2, 1, center and release. Awesome job. Next, some overhead side bends. Hands come up, palms facing forward. All right, and you're just gonna go side to side, stretching the obliques. All right, but making sure that you're not opening up your rib cage, so we're not opening up like this, all right? Boom, close it in. Make sure you're nice and straight going side to side. All right, very good. Push your shoulders away from your ears so we're not like this, all right? Nice, long, elegant neck. Taking your time. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, center and release. Very good, that was our warm up. Moving on to our workout, go ahead, grab those weights. If you are using some, if you don't have any, you can even use water bottles, all right? Hold on to some water bottles. First, we're starting with a bent over row, all right? Feet are hip width apart. You're gonna hinge your hips back a little bit, nice straight back, and then we're bringing our hands up to us. Our elbows stay nice and tucked in, all right, close to the body, so they're not out here. Boom, tuck them in. And you're squeezing your back muscles, squeezing your triceps as well as you bring your weight up, or you bring your hands up, all right? Like, you don't need weights to do this, all right? So squeeze, squeeze, squeeze everything together. Hold it for a second or two, and then release, and again. Very good. Nice tucked in tummy here, all right? So we're not splayed out like this. Look the difference. Boom. All right, tuck it in. Straight back. And 3, 2, 1, and standing upright. Very good. Moving on to some chicken wings, all right? So elbows start close to us, hands in front of us, all right, like so. And we're gonna bring our elbows up, all right, like the chicken wing dance. Hey, hey. All right, so up, squeezing those shoulders, all right, squeezing your back, very good. And then elbows come in nice and tight. Very good. Breathing, good posture, a little bend in the knees. Your entire body is engaged here. Even though we're just moving our arms, everything is engaged because it's all connected, right? And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Next, some bent over reverse flies, all right? So that bent over position like before. Hands start down, arms start straight, and we're gonna bring them up to their sides. Very good. Squeezing your shoulder blades as they come up. Make sure you're looking forward. You can hold it here for a few seconds and then come back down. Very good. Checking that posture, that tummy. Very good, breathe. I know I sound like a broken record machine, but sometimes we forget to breathe when we're focused on something, so I'm here to remind you and myself. Very good, and 3, 2, 1, and straight. Very good. Starting with our hands downwards, palms facing us, all right? So the back of your hand is facing forward for some upright rows, all right? We're bringing it up across our bodies, right here to our chest, all right? Elbows go out to the side, all right? They're not back here, all right? Straight and then up. Very good. Breathing. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze here. You should be feeling it even without weights, all right? If you're moving with intention. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Last but not least, I love these with weights or without weights, are cross punches, all right? So fighting stance, boom, fighting away fat, fighting away disease, fighting for good health. We're going to cross punch, all right? And you're gonna use your core for this as well, all right, to pack that punch. Nice strong stance, boom, strong arm, nice and straight. All right, you can even hold it here for a second, come back, and then other way, straight. All right, going faster and doing more doesn't necessarily mean it's better. Actually, the opposite. If you take your time and really engage your muscles, it's going to work your body so much more than going faster like this, all right? Because I'm not really using all the muscles I could if I slowed it down and really paid attention to what my body's doing. And 3, 2, 1, and there we have it, my beautiful people. Set 1 of our fat burning back workout, going right into set 2. Big breath. Starting with our bent over row in 3, 2, 1, let's get it.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Keep those elbows close to your body. Very good, nice tucked in elbows. Squeeze your back as you come up. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze, 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 and straighten. Very good. Chicken wings, let's get it. Check on your body. How's your posture? Chin up. Very good. Tight tummy. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze, 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 and release. Very good. Bent over, reverse fly, straight arms, and let's go. Squeeze. And 3, 2, 1, hold, squeeze, squeeze, and down, straighten. Very good. Upright row. Let's get it. Elbows come out to the side, but keep your shoulders down. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze, 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 and release. Very good. Fighting positions. Think about what you want to fight for. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Celebrate. 2, done and dusted. 1 more to go. Big breath. Starting with our bent over row in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Keep those elbows close to your body. Very good. Nice tucked in elbows. Squeeze your back as you come up. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, 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 and straighten. Very good. Chicken wings. Let's get it. Check on your body. How's your posture? Chin up. Very good. Tight tummy. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, 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 and release. Very good. Bent over, reverse fly, straight arms, and let's go. Squeeze. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, squeeze, squeeze, and down, straighten. Very good. Upright row. Let's get it. Elbows come out to the side, but keep your shoulders down. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, 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 and release. Very good. Fighting positions. Think about what you want to fight for. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Celebrate. Alrighty, great job. 3 sets of our workout done. Go ahead and put your weight to the side if you are using any, and we're going to do a nice cool down and stretch. Starting with a cross body stretch, all right, hand that starts out to the side, comes across your body. You're going to grab your arm right above your elbow and pull it close to you. All right, not so much that you twist and turn, all right, keep a nice straight torso, bringing in closer to you. And if you feel like you want to go in a deeper stretch, you're going to bend the elbow, all right, and come over your other shoulder and press in. And 3, 2, 1, gently release, open up, other side. And 3, 2, 1, release. Very good. Overhead tricep stretch, all right? So arm comes up overhead. You're gonna bend at the elbow, and then you're gonna grab your elbow and pull, gently pull closer to your head, but make sure you're not scrunching your head forward, all right? Chin up, very good. Close that rib cage, make sure you're not going like this. All right, close it. Protect your spine. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, straighten, and other side. Straight, bend, pull. Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1, release. Very good. Ending it with a nice reverse shoulder stretch, hands clasped behind you. All right, then you're gonna straighten your arms. If this feels good enough, go ahead, stay there. If you can, with straight arms, go ahead and bring them up. All right, pull them up. If you want assistance with this, you can always go by a counter or a chair. Put your hands on that counter and chair, and then straighten, and it'll help you bring your hands up a bit. Chin up, very good. Good posture. And 3, 2, 1, lower and release. And there we have it, my beautiful people. A warm-up, 3 sets of a workout, and a cool down, all for the back. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below which move was your favorite so I can use it more often. Where are you tuning in from? I love to see that we have people all over the world, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.